In this episode, oh yeah, this day is finally here. It's Chucky's favorite holiday ever, Halloween. Time to turn this cozy place into something spooktacular. Chucky, are you ready for a Halloween makeover? Here we go. Let's make it a blast. Where do we start? With pumpkins, of course. There's got to be the perfect pumpkin here for a jack-o'-lantern. Which one should we pick? This veggie looks just right. Pick it up, Chucky. Done. Param pam pam. Now the real fun begins. You're good at carving pumpkins, right, Chucky? Let's grab a knife. Time to be a little sculptor. Now we need to carve the face. This pumpkin's gonna have the scariest mug in the whole toy town. A pattern makes drawing way easier, like this. Just look, we're halfway there. Let's keep going. A tiny pumpkin surgery won't hurt, just be careful with the knife. Almost done. It's starting to take shape. Oh, Chucky's worked so hard he's getting hungry. Enjoy, my friend. Just don't eat the whole pumpkin. We still need it for the party. Got your energy back? Look at this awesome lantern we made. This pumpkin looks perfectly spooky. Chucky's friends will love it. And what's a lantern without candles? Let's light them up. Our pumpkin's gonna shine bright. Oh yeah, that's way cooler. Terribly beautiful. Nice going. Wow, Chucky, your front door has totally transformed. This spooky design looks incredible. Way to go. You'd win first prize for best Halloween decor. All your pumpkins look so unique. It's awesome. That's what happens when a creative dog gets to work. Time to keep decorating. Bam. We'll hang this right here. This orange monster looks super spooky. Boo, I'm already scared. Let's add a few more banners. It's so cool that once a year you can make your home look super creepy. This is such an awesome Halloween setup. I'm over the moon. Should we add something even scarier? Oh yeah, how could I forget? What's Halloween without spiders? Such a great idea. Boo, just a tiny bit more, and I'd think that's a real ghost. Those lanterns are incredible. Well, the house is party ready. The last step is to set up the campfire where all the friends will meet. Good thing Chucky's yard has lots of dry sticks. Ooh, this is going to be an awesome spot. Just look at this beauty. I wouldn't be surprised if some real ghosts showed up here. Kidding. Don't be scared. Now that we've got a fire, it's time to roast some marshmallows. That crispy shell, yummy. Let's start trick or treat. All right, friends, we're all here. Time to tell each other some scary Halloween stories. So who's going first?
In a dark, dark toy city, there once lived a dog. They called him the spooky Chuckster.
One day, he gathered all his scariest friends by the fire to celebrate Halloween.
They had fun at first.
But then the friends started to feel like something really, really creepy was about to happen.
Oh, come on, Chucky. Are you scared?
And just when the spooky dog was about to end the party, he appeared.
A mysterious dark stranger, Teddy the Bear. He wanted to punish friends for not inviting him to the Halloween party. So he called upon all the darkest spirits in the Toy City to curse them forever, so they could never celebrate Halloween again. But that wasn't all. The stranger had one more scary plan and turned off the lights.
A little time passed, and when the lights came back on, it turned out the stranger was punished by the dark spirits.
Now, that's a spooky Halloween prank, Chucky.
Bet you actually believed it, huh? Looks like your friends totally fooled you. Happy Halloween. If this video made you smile, or reminded you how awesome pets are, give it a like. And if you're a fellow animal lover, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss more furry moments coming soon. Thanks for watching, and give your pet a little extra love today.